How to save voice message from Messenger. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to save voice message from Messenger. So with no further ado, let's get into this. So all you have to do, first before we really dive into this, if you go to your Messenger, let's say for example you want to save the voice message of the person. If you long press on this, there are no options in saving the voice message. So what you want to do is you have to go to your Chrome and here type in m.facebook.com. Then I highly recommend you, on the upper right corner you will see a three buttons or three dots. Click on that, and then under, if you scroll down, you will see the desktop site. You have to put or to choose it as a desktop site or like desktop type setup. And here you will see the somewhat like a desktop type of Facebook on your phone. So here you will see the messenger icon. You click on the messenger icon, then you will see your basically your messenger, but here on Chrome. Now if you click on the person's chat, here you will see the voice message that she sent me, and within that voice message you could see a three dots on the right, or after that voice message you will see three dots on that. Now if you click on that, you will see download. Now if you click on download, then you will name the file and then put where you want to put it, and then click on download. Then basically you have downloaded the voice message of that person. And that is how you save voice message from Messenger. And that concludes this tutorial. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.